Hello friends, I'm Varun Vohra and welcome to my channel IT with Varun Vohra to master the fundamentals. Friends, as we move forward in our ITGC journey, as part of which I already have over 100 videos related to various IT general control areas across application server and database layers, with a new video every week on my channel. As I say in all my videos, this knowledge is not available in any book or over the web, so please try to understand these concepts thoroughly as they will definitely help in your career. In continuation of our information security ITGC category, under which we have so far covered vulnerability and patch management control areas across Windows, Linux, Unix server, and Oracle and SQL databases. Before we start the next control area, which is intrusion detection, I would like to spend time today to understand an important concept, which is security information and event management, also known as SIEM, which will be leveraged in testing this next intrusion detection control area. So let us dive in now to understand this security concept from a risk, audit, control and compliance perspective. So friends, SIEM, as the name suggests, is a log and event aggregator. What does it mean? It's a heavy term, right? So let's simplify it. What it means is, think of it like a centralized repository which gathers security information and security events from various sources like applications, servers, databases, and network devices. So logs, security events, any sort of security information from all these applications, servers, databases, and network devices will be pushed towards a centralized repository, which is called SIEM. And that's what we mean by a log and event aggregator, which aggregates or collects all the logs and events.